Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful cat, step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I'm drawing both eyes at once. This is the first eye. And this is the cat's second eye. This is nose, mouth, and then beautiful head of cat. This time I'm drawing two cat ears. This is a cat's poop. This time I am drawing the cat's legs and body, like this. So kids, it's awesome! This a tail. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Two yellow ears. Tail is yellow. Dark green color. Light green color on full body of cat. I'm giving my whole face an orange color, like this. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!